Hello! During lockdown, I spent a lot of time on eBay searching for devices to fix and resell. A few days ago, I saw this MacBook Unibody 2010 that was missing a hard drive, the hard drive cable, the charger, and the bottom case. I felt like I had enough experience with Apple devices that I could easily fix this MacBook. I thought that even though it wasn't the best deal, I could still make some money with it. So I won the MacBook, and after a few days, the computer arrived. For the unboxing, I gloved myself up for obvious reasons, and I started to tear the box apart. There are two possibilities. The first one is that I'm so dumb that I can't open a box, and the second one is that the MacBook is packaged too well. Let me know in the comments what do you think was the problem. So after 5 minutes of struggling, I managed to get the computer free. I had never seen in person a turned down MacBook, and I was pretty excited for it. I asked the seller if he could fully charge the MacBook before shipping, but he told me he never ships fully charged devices, so when I turned it on, the battery was basically flat. Just to see if the MacBook worked, I turned it on and the flashing folder came up, so everything seemed to be okay. For further testing, I plugged in via USB a crappy 60GB external hard drive, and I booted through the Internet Recovery to install the recovery partition and macOS. I don't know why, but the version it installed was Lion. I didn't have time to pass the recovery screen because the battery completely died. I've also lost the footage because my camera battery died and I didn't notice it. So I started to buy the required pieces to make this fully working and also usable for basic tasks in 2020. Let me know in the comments what do you think about my purchase, and if you'd like to see the full restoration process in my future videos. So if you're interested in seeing how this project continues, subscribe, and it would be awesome if you could also share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!